Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, is gonna be another unboxing, review, first impressions kind of video, and also try on with outfits. Unboxing for shoe brand, and this brand is, as you can see, ARROMIC. And I'm so excited to do this kind of videos. It's definitely very fun to try out new products, clothes, outfits, accessories, and see how is the quality, try to style them up and show you guys. And most important for these videos, in my side, I just like to put the names out there so you know, just so you know, because I like to support small businesses and somebody who just trying to get out there. So if the brand is something that I feel like is really good and affordable and easy to get to people, I want to share the message, and this time is no different. This is a shoe brand, and I'm not sure if they have other things on their website. Definitely you can check out down below all the information. I will leave all the information in the description. The website, I also have a discount code for you guys, of course, because of you seeing this message. Today we're gonna try out the shoes. They sent me a few pairs to try out and give you my my opinion about them. So I'm definitely excited to do that. Let's begin, I guess, just the unboxing. Of course, this package came like a week ago already, so I did open it because for me it's like Christmas. Whenever I order something myself, I feel like the Christmas is coming, you know. You cannot wait that package to arrive and to unbox it and open it and see the new things you order, and it's very exciting. So I did open it already and try the shoes, and I will do it also with you right now and discuss the details about the shoes and tell you what I feel about them, how I feel about them, and yeah, let's get into the video. The most important part. So the package came like this, in a plastic bag. Here are all the shoes inside the bag, and I guess I will just take one by one and share with you how they look, how they feel. So they are coming like this in a bag. To be honest, when I saw this, I was a little bit shocked, I don't know, but they came just in a, let's say, very simple plastic bag. I would rather appreciate a box or at least a dust bag, but not a plastic bag. But I mean, everybody has their own preferences, and if you are a brand who is trying to save more material and use less material. But anyways, the shoes, these are sandals. I will also tell you guys the names of each shoes, and of course leave down below where you can see them, the links. These are double BOWKNOT espadrille flat slippers. So I ordered all the shoes size 36, and I really loved these ones when I saw them. They're super cute, super nice for summer, and I really like the sandals who have this kind of rattan material around, you know, on the, how you call this, shoe sole, or I think it's shoe sole, yeah. I really like that style, and I like the kind of dusty, old school yellow color of them. And of course the bows, it's very, very cute. And the material is very nice and soft. There itself is, I'm not sure if it's real leather. I feel like it's more like a vegan leather, like a not real leather, just a vegan leather. They're definitely very cute, very comfortable. I just think they look really good. Of course, my tongue is like going like this. I'm having a crazy day, so I don't know how to speak right now. But definitely these are like a beach sandals, summer sandals. Oh my goodness, I will probably wear them with some jean shorts, t-shirt, or crop top. Quality is good, the fit is nice, they're very super comfortable, and yeah, only the packaging is freaking me out, but let's close eyes on that one because they are very affordable. This is a very affordable brand, so everything cannot be perfect in this world. I did order another pair the same style because I really love this style. When I saw them, I was like, wow, these are super cute for summer. I ordered another same slippers, just different color. They have lots of different colors. The same ones, but these are like beige. Like, tell me, aren't they just super cute? Love them. I like this beige color, like sandy beige color. Same like with the yellow ones, probably can style up with some jean shorts or white dress maybe. I think they would look very cute. And the next style I ordered are these cute sandals. Like, they are really like more fancy schmancy style design. I would say really kind of fancy look sandals. I love the golden chain right here, right there. Thank God it's plastic, kind of like the light plastic, because I think if it will be an actual metal, it will be very heavy for the legs and very heavy to walk and not comfortable. But they are plastic, so it's super light and really comfortable. I really like that. Their shoes itself, like here where the toe goes, it's very soft. Like, this is very soft leather, very nice and comfy. And of course this style is also in the fashion, the square kind of shoes, sandals. Very cute. And these sandals are called square toe gold chain decor slippers. I love this army kind of army green color also. Very cute. Very... Can I stop saying very cute? Can I say something else? Super cute. The next style is, honestly, I don't know why I ordered this style, because it's not my usual choice, not really, but I don't know, there was something about these sandals. Like, I have this, again, this is the sole. How you call this sole? I don't know. It's like with little puffies with puffs. Oh my god, it's so soft material. And I thought it would be so comfortable to walk, like for a longer distance if you're walking. I'm not really walking a lot in Dubai. It's hot right now in the summer. Wow, I just noticed this cute back for the shoes. Oh my god, look how cute it is. It's an actual like a shell print. So cute. Wow, they're super soft from both sides. Like, look how soft they are. The name of these shoes are T-strap perforated sandals. Yeah, I think I could pair these also with some maybe white beach dress, or also, as I said, jean shorts and a blouse. And might be that they are more like grandma shoes, but I don't know, I just like them. Don't know why. And thank God I ordered them, because super comfy, like super comfy, I swear. I just want to squeeze them all the time, you know. So fun, you know, like that. This one, the bubble paper. This is how I feel like when I squeeze those bubbles in the sandals. And the last but not least, okay, these sandals are in a very mauve paper, not paper but the bag. Not the same as the other sandals. They are rivet decor flat sandals. When I saw these, like, actually really long time since ever Valentino came out with this design, I always wanted these shoes because I always loved that spiky style, you know. And when I saw that they came out with the sandals, I was like, oh, I would love to have them. So I always wanted to buy them. Actually, I have one pair kind of also with this style, but yeah, these are super cute. I saw them and I thought this will be very nice for beach, because these are like the, how you call this material? Anyways, this is not gonna get wet or broken because they are like a rubber shoes. I don't know how you call this, silicone shoes. But also super cute for the beach, for the pool. You can wear, I think, with anything these, because they're black, they're classy, and me likey. I will not say super cute, I will just say me likey. Thumbs up for these ones. So yeah, that was it, guys, for the shoes. Overall, a review, I would say they're all very good quality. Like, really, there's nothing I could say bad about them. They're really good quality, like any other brands out there, affordable brands. The size is exactly mine, 36. If you order your size, you shouldn't order bigger or smaller, because sometimes when you order shoes from China, because they have little bit size differences, but I didn't feel like the size was like any different than with other brands. So yeah, other than that, I really love them. Only thing is, yeah, the packaging sucks. I think they should create, like, if they are like saving more on the packaging, at least put them in a dust bag, you know, because it's a little touch that people like when you receive from some brands something you order. You always first see the packaging, so it gives like a biggest impression, the first impression, so it's very important. The first impression is always important. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like to see more often like first impressions reviews for different brands videos, and that's it. I will leave down below all the information you need to know. Don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't. I never say this one, okay? You don't have to subscribe if you don't, honestly, but definitely use my discount code for this website if you want to order some shoes, because they are already affordable, but you will get some extra percentage off from your total, so definitely try that out. And yeah guys, I'll see you next time on my next video. Peace out, bye.